Yes, I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hmm. Okay. So, as in the last class, we learned about numbers, है ना? Introduction
Yes,
of
sir.
numbers, right?
Numbers.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
After that, in numbers, we learned Hindu Arabic numerals, right? So, in Hindu Arabic numbers, how
Yes,
many
sir.
digits?
Sir, in Hindu, 10 digits.
10 digits. What are they?
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Uh,
8.
1. Is it start from 1?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay. It starts from
0.
0. Okay. After that,
Zero.
we learned about
Sir,
natural
numbers and
number.
odd numbers.
Yeah, natural numbers.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So what are natural numbers? Just define or
All
explain
counting
natural.
numbers.
All counting
Sir,
numbers are known as.
counting numbers are called natural numbers.
Yes, very good. है ना? All counting numbers are known as natural number. Okay? Is it clear?
Numbers.
Now after
Yes, sir.
that, the first natural number is first natural number, or natural number
Sir,
starts from.
2.
I said first natural number.
Oh, the first natural number is 1.
1. Okay, it's mean natural number starts from
1.
1. Okay, now after that we learnt first even natural number, है ना? So what is
Even natural number.
yes, first even natural number. First even natural number.
I think so, sir. It is 2 only.
2. Yes, it is 2. Let's see here. As natural number starts from 1, right? After that 2,
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will continue till it will continue till
Sir, infinity.
infinity. Okay, it will continue till infinite, है ना? So as you can see, the first
sir.
number is 1, right? So this will be known as first natural number, right? Natural number. Now as you can see here, the first even natural number. What we will see? The first even natural number. So now let's check from the left side one by one which number is the first even number. From the left side, which number is the first even number? Is it one? Is one natural? Is one even number? Hello. I'm audible there. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Can you hear me?
Hello, sir, you are audible.
Yes,
sir, I can hear you.
So I said check from the left side the number which is first even number. So is one even number?
Yes, sir.
Is one even number?
No, not even number.
One is not the even number, na? So we will just ignore it. Okay. Now let's check for 2. Is 2 an even number? Is 2 an even number?
Yes, sir, yes.
Yes. So this is the first even number, na? This is the first even number. So we will call ki first even natural number. Okay. This is the set of natural numbers, na? Right? This is the set of natural number, and here 2 is the first even number. So we will call ki 2 is the first even natural in the set of natural number. 2 is the first even number in the set of natural number, so that's why we call first even natural number will be 2. Is it clear? Now let's check for first odd number, odd even number. So for this we have to check first odd number. Now let's again check from left side. Let's first we will check for 1. Is 1 an odd number? Is 1 an odd number?
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes. And this is
Yeah. This is an odd number.
odd number, na?
Yes.
And here as you can see 1 is the first odd number, right? 1 is the first
Yes.
odd number in the set of natural number, right? In the group of or in the collection of natural numbers. So we can say that 1 is first odd natural number, right? First odd natural number, that is 1, right? So these thing we learnt in our last class, है ना? After that we learned about whole number. Can you define the whole number?
Whole number.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you define whole number? What do you mean by whole number? We have already learnt in the last class, and that's why I told कि Dev please do revision daily.
Yes, sir. The first.
I said define whole number, that's all.
Oh. The whole numbers, defining the whole numbers are the numbers that include 0 and all positive and integer.
I think you are cheating, right?
No.
Yes.
No, sir.
Sure.
Sir, आप screen share कर लो, sir.
Okay, no problem, no need for it. Leave it. Tell me about the whole number.
Sir, the whole numbers are the numbers which include 0 and all positive integers.
All positive integer means?
Sir, all positive integers मतलब 0 से जो भी integers आता है वो सब.
लेकिन आपने तो बोला 0 इंक्लूडिंग ऑल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, तो 0 तो आपने पहले बोल दिया, तो ये ऑल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स क्या हुए?
Positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ऐसे.
Okay. Instead of all positive integer, can we say natural number?
Sir, वो
0 including natural numbers? क्या हम कह सकते हैं ऐसा? Sure.
सर वो natural नहीं
नहीं कह सकते हैं?
No, नहीं कह सकते.
Are you sure?
लेकिन नहीं सर कह सकते हैं.
How?
कह सकते हैं सर
How?
क्योंकि सेम आता है. नेचुरल नंबर्स में भी सेम ही है हम.
Okay. So whole numbers are all natural numbers including 0. Okay?
0.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this till infinity. So which is the first whole number? First whole number?
Number 0.
0. Okay. After that we learnt about integers, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you define me what do you mean by integers?
Integers.
हाँ.
सर integers में क्या बुक में देख के एक बार बता सकता हूँ?
No. Just tell me by yourself. We have already learnt it in our last class. Integers. What do you mean by integers?
50-50 पता है सर.
हाँ, okay, no problem. Tell me.
Sir, integers are whole numbers.
Whole numbers, okay?
With
अच्छा.
fractions and decimals.
No. तब ये गलत हो जाएगा. Fraction and decimals उसमें नहीं होते हैं. Listen, मैंने क्या कहा था? नेगेटिव नंबर plus 0, wait, it's not plus, negative number, 0 and all positive numbers, right? All positive numbers are called integers, है ना? जो कि हमने नंबर लाइन में अगर देखना है तो हाउ वी विल ड्रॉ इट, लेट्स सी हियर. Suppose this is a number line. In the right side we will get plus infinity, in the left side it will go still minus infinity, in the middle there will be 0, in the right side with equal distance all positive numbers 1 2 3 4 5, like this it will continue. Similarly in the left side all negative numbers -1 -2 -3 -4 है ना, -5, like this. So this will be known as, these all will be known as integers. Is it clear? Okay, all these will be known as integers. Here in the left side you can see all positive numbers, here in the left side you can see all negative numbers, and in the middle it will be 0. Always remember 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, neither positive nor negative. Note down this point, nor negative. 0 ना ही पॉजिटिव नंबर है और ना ही नेगेटिव नंबर है. प्लीज नोट डाउन इट. आफ्टर दिस वी विल स्टार्ट आवर न्यू टॉपिक, द रेशनल नंबर.
Yes, sir.
Note down only this one point. Rest all are we have already done in our last class.
Odd natural number से ये पूरा है ना सर?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, सारा चीज हमने पहले ही पढ़ चुका है, ठीक है. सिर्फ ये लास्ट वाला पॉइंट आप नोट डाउन कीजिए कि 0 इज नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव. ये पॉइंट नोट डाउन कीजिए बस.
सर आपने नंबर लाइन लिखा है उससे ना सर?
लास्ट में मैंने क्या लिखा है देव, ये वाला 0 इज नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव, सिर्फ ये पॉइंट नोट डाउन कीजिए, मैंने कहा तो.
ओके सर. Yes, sir.
नोटेड.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
चलिए अब हेडिंग हम लोग देंगे रेशनल नंबर. क्या हेडिंग देंगे हम लोग?
Rational numbers.
हाँ, तो प्लीज गिव द हेडिंग रैशनल नंबर.
Yes, sir. सर ये भी भेजना है क्या सर फोटो?
तो ये आज का नोट्स हो जाएगा ना देव, तो आज का नोट्स को तो आप शेयर करके फिर मुझे भेजिएगा ना, ठीक है? हाँ. नाउ लेट्स सी हियर फॉर रैशनल नंबर्स. ओके, रैशनल numbers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
As you can see here, अच्छा, first of all tell me what do you know about rational number? Do you know anything about rational number?
Yes, sir. I know a little.
हाँ, yes, tell me.
Sir, rational numbers are the numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in fraction two integers.
फ्रैक्शन विथ 2 इंटीजर्स ना. ओके.
हाँ मतलब PQ ऐसे.
P by Q. Yes, good, very good, है ना. The number which are written in the form of fraction, otherwise we can say that which are written in the form of P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0, right? है ना.
Yes,
This
sir.
point we have learned na in our 7th class, why the denominator or why the Q should not be equal to 0, right? Let's see here. As you can see, if I will write here 6 divided by 2, right? It's mean I have to divide, suppose this is 6 chocolates, okay? I have to divide all these 6 chocolates among 2 students. Then each student will get how many chocolates? How many students can get? How many students will get chocolate? Uh, each student will get how many chocolates? Sorry. Here there are total 6 chocolates. We have to divide it among 2 students. Okay. Then each student will get how many chocolates? Just tell me. You have to just divide 6 divided by 2. What you will get the quotient or answer?
2.
2. When you will divide 6 from 2, you will get 2. 2 will be the quotient.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Just divide it now.
Sir, 6 divided by 2 will be 3.
3. It's mean we can say ki each student will get 3 chocolates, right? But when I will say ki we have to divide 6 chocolates among 0 student, can we divide it? Can we divide it? Yes or no? We have to distribute 6 chocolates among 0 students. We can't distribute it, na? As here there are no any student. There are no student. Then to whom we will distribute the chocolate? We can't distribute it, right? So this type of condition in maths generally we will say not define. We can't define it, right? We can't define it when we have to distribute it or when we will see it in the case of fraction. Okay, so that's why in fraction P by Q, here Q should not be equal to 0. It is clear? Is it clear or any doubt? So what will be the definition for rational number?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
I'm audible?
Yes, sir. Sir,
So
my voice break.
yes, tell me the definition of rational number. What we can say about the rational number?
Sir, so what is rational number?
Yes,
Uh,
we have already learnt here, na?
rational number.
Rational numbers are?
Sir, the rational numbers are any number that can be written in fraction and integer
Yes,
form.
the number which is in the form of P by Q, okay, where Q is not equal to 0 is known as rational number. Is it clear? Rational
Yes, sir.
number. Can you give me some examples for rational number?
Sir,
Rational number.
sir, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 1, 7, minus
Yeah,
7 by 5.
wait, one by one, okay. 1 by 2, 3
1
by
by 2.
5. Yes, yes, what?
Sir, 2 equal.
Your voice is not proper, Dev.
Sir, 2 equals 2 by 1.
Sorry, can you please repeat again?
Sir, the whole numbers are 2 equal 1 by 2 by 1.
I said not whole numbers. I said give the examples of rational number, which should be in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0.
Uh,
Yes. 1 by 2, 3 by 5. Any more? Any more?
sir,
Let's
5
see
by
here. 5 by
1.
5 by 1. Very good. है ना? Similarly, we can also write the negative numbers. है ना? Minus 1 by 2. Right? Minus 0.5. है ना? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Etc. All these will be rational number. Now the question is, as you can see here, 5 by 1, right? Let's understand some more points. Okay, 5 by 1, as you can see here, 5 by 1 can be written as 5, right? 5 by 1 can be written as 5, right? And here 5 is a natural number, right? And also whole number, है ना? So here we can say that कि natural numbers or whole numbers are also rational numbers, right? We can say it na. Now you can take one more example. Suppose it is 4, right? 4 is also a rational number. How? 4 is also a rational number. Can you define it?
Sir, 4 is also a
Yes, rational number means we have to write it in the form of P by Q, right? Can we write 4 in the form of P by Q?
Yes, sir.
How? It will be 4 divided by
Q.
2.
Yes.
When we will write 4 divided by 2, it will become 2, na?
Yes.
We have to write for 4, not for 4 by 2. Okay? We can write it as 4 by 1, right? 4 can also written as 4 by 1, right? Because as we know that when we will divide any number by 1, we will get the same number, right? So when we will divide 4 by 1, we will get the same number, that is 4, right? And here as you can see, it is in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, or we can say where Q is equal to 1, right? So that's why 4 is also a rational number. Okay, so we can say that ki all natural numbers are also rational number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Here we can also say that ki all decimals are also rational number. Either it is a positive decimal or negative decimal. Now let's see here how. As here it is written 0.5. Remove the decimal, so it will be 5 minus 5 by 10, right? As you can see here, minus 5 will be P and 10 will be Q. So it is in the form of P by Q. That's why we can say that ki minus 0.5, which is a negative decimal, is also a rational number. Is it clear? Means we can say that all decimals are also rational number. Okay. So as a note you can write here, as a note you can write here all whole number or whole numbers. Okay. Already we have already included rational number, right? In whole numbers we have already included rational numbers, right? है ना, बिकॉज होल नंबर इज a set of zero with all natural numbers, right? So that's why I didn't write here whole number and again natural number. I just write here whole number. Okay, whole number means it already consists natural number. Okay, so all natural number or whole number, okay, whole number, negative number, है ना, negative numbers, okay,
Yes, sir.
decimal numbers, also zero are rational number. Is it clear? Any doubt? Zero is also a rational number. Let's see here how. As 0 can be written as 0 by 1, right? In the form of p by q. We can write it, na? Tell me.
Yes,
0
sir.
by 1
Yes,
means
sir.
0, na? Because when we will divide 0 by 1, we will get the same number, that is 0, right? So, as here p will be 0 and q will be 1, that is in the form of p by q. So, that's why 0 is also a rational number. Is it clear? Whole number, it already consists of natural number. Okay, or we can also say that it also already consists 0. So here no need to write again 0. Okay, here no need to write 0 again as a separate. Okay, because as here we have written whole number which consists all natural number and 0 also. Okay, whole number is the consist of or the set of 0 or natural number. It's mean we can say that ki 0 is also a rational number, natural numbers are also rational number, negative numbers are also rational number. We have already proved here how it will be, and decimal are also rational number. We have already proved here. Is it clear? If you want to see for
Yes,
negative
sir.
number, one more example you can see here. Suppose there is a negative number -5. We can write it in the form of p by q, right? How we
Yes,
will
sir.
write it in the form of p by q? What it will be? -5 divided by
Minus 5 divided by
it will be
1.
1. Yes, very good, है ना? We have to see कि from which number we have to divide the numerator or the first number so that we will get the same number. So as we know that the rule is कि when we will divide any number from 1, we will get the same number. It's mean here we should keep the denominator 1. Okay. Now as you can see here, this will be the p and this will be the q. And now it's become in the form of p by q. So we can say that -5 by 1 is a rational number and it's come from -5. So -5 is also a rational number. Okay, is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can say that all whole numbers, negative numbers, decimals are rational number. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
now note down it from here. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If you want to note down this part, you can also note down this part. Okay, this one. And after this, you have to
Can
note
you
down.
make this down little bit down, screen little bit down, sir?
Just wait a minute. After this, you have to note down these points.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. AB here.
Okay, till
Yes,
here.
sir. Little bit up, sir.
Just wait a minute. I am explaining now. Till here, you have to note down. If you want to note down these examples, you can also note down. Okay, for your understanding. Now let's yes. अच्छा, Now one more thing, Dev. Now one more point. Let's see here. As here we are saying कि all whole numbers are natural number, right?
Yes, sir.
Then now inverse it. Okay, now inverse this sentence. Is or are all rational number whole number? As all whole numbers are rational number, right?
Sir, all natural numbers are whole numbers.
All whole numbers are rational number, right?
Yes, sir.
Rational number, है ना? Then can we say all rational number are whole number? All rational number are whole number?
No, sir.
No. Yes, very good, Dev, है ना? As you can see here, rational number, in rational number negative numbers are also rational number, right? Means we can say that -2 is also rational number, -3/5 is also a rational number, right? है ना? But is -2 a whole number? Is -2 a whole number? Yes?
Yes, sir.
No, na.
Yeah.
Is -2 a whole number?
No, sir.
No. Is -3 a whole number? -3/5.
Yes, sir.
-3/5 is a whole number.
No, sir.
Then why are you saying no? Yes, sir, Dev.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Focus here, okay? I am saying that all whole numbers are rational number, right? But its converse is need not be true. Okay? Means all rational number may or may not be whole number. Okay? Similarly, all negative numbers are rational number, but its converse need not be true, that all rational number are not negative number, right? Some rational number are positive numbers, some rational number are decimal number, and those numbers are not negative number, na? So that's why all rational number are not negative number. Okay? Similarly, all decimal numbers are rational number, right? All decimal numbers are rational number, right? But its converse need not be true. Okay? Mean all rational number are not decimal number. Is it clear?
Sir, yes, sir.
So now I am concluding my point that all whole numbers, negative numbers, decimal are rational number, okay? But it converse need not be true, means all rational number are not whole numbers, all rational number are not negative number, and all decimal are not all rational number are not decimal number. Okay, this point we will discuss in our higher classes in detail. Okay,
Sir, yes,
for now you have to just remember that its converse need not be true. Is it clear? Any doubt
No, sir.
till here?
No, sir.
So for today we learn till here. After this we will continue in our next class. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Just wait a minute. Thanks.